What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at Circle to Search on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Google Pixel Fold. So Circle to Search is a nice feature that you can utilize to search for any information that something that you may have on your display, whether that's a picture of a flower, some food, a car, whatever it is. You can utilize that feature to search for information on it. Now, I've been using it on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. At first, I thought it was a gimmick, but it seems to be very helpful at times. So the other day, I was on Twitter or X, and someone had mentioned that they hadn't received the feature on their Google Pixel Fold. So I looked on my device, and it was there. Now, I'm running Android 14, so it's there. Now, say for instance, I wanted to search for this wallpaper that's on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, where they both have a little bar down here at the bottom. And you just simply hold down on that little bar and you circle whatever you're looking for. So that wallpaper, if I wanted that wallpaper again, I can search for it. And as you guys see, it's the first one right there. So now, if you see someone with a wallpaper on a social media site, just screenshot that and search for it yourself. One good way to do that. So let's go ahead and try out both of them and see how they work. So let me go into my Google Pixel here, find a photo or something, and then we'll see how well it works. So, all right. So here's a funny little picture here. I got the Fat Albert Gang there, and I want to see if it will search for individual characters on this photo, or will it just search for the whole photo? So got my man Russell right there. We're going to go ahead and circle him. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Let's see if it brings up Russell. So as you guys see, it will pick out individual characters. It tells you that is Russell. Give you a lot of information about him as well. So the next guy we're going to try is the big guy, the big guy here. See if it'll search for him individually. And as you guys see, they both are doing a fantastic job of bringing this up. So as you guys see, a lot of information about Fat Albert there. So let's try another photo, something else. All right, so I got some food right there. And this is just some pasta that I had at a local restaurant here. And I want to see if what it'll tell me about this, and if it'll tell me the actual restaurant that I had this food at. So you guys see, they come up very fast. And yeah, there it is. I had it at Outback, and it's saying that it's an Outback meal. So pretty accurate right there. Let's try something else. So here's my truck. Now I have a 23 Chevy Silverado 1500. And we're going to see if it'll find that. Let me get it over here on my Samsung. So here's my truck. See if it'll tell me the truck right there. Like I said, you can do this with flowers, anything, candy, whatever you want to search for, it's going to do it. So here it is. Now it's saying that it's a 2024. It's not going to break it down to, the year. It probably have to have more information. But these trucks do look like mine, so that tells me that the truck didn't change too much from the year that I bought mine to, to this year. So these trucks look good. I think mine looks better. So, but yeah, guys, you see Circle to Search is working great on the Google Pixel Fold. I'm having no issues with it. And I do find this feature to be helpful. So, all right, guys, catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.